Meaning of diluted.
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 Diluted. The term diluted refers to the process of making a solution weaker by adding more solvent, usually water, to it. This reduces the concentration of the solute in the solution. The result of this process is a mixture that has a lower strength or potency. For example, if you add water to a concentrated orange juice, you are diluting it and reducing its sugar content. Similarly, when a company issues more shares, it dilutes the value of existing shares, making them worth less. Dilution is commonly used in scientific experiments, pharmaceutical formulations, and financial markets.